Hi everyone, in this video, let's take a look at how to turn sharp corners into rounded ones in Affinity. First, grab the Shape tool, choose the rectangle, and draw a square on your artboard. Now switch to the Corner tool. Just click and drag any corner you want, and that's your rounded corner. But what if you want all 4 corners rounded at the same time? Super easy. Click the Corner tool, select the whole shape, then drag one of the corners. All the corners will round together automatically. Let's try something a little more fun. I'm going to grab a more complex shape, the double star. Draw it on the artboard. Pick the Corner tool, select the whole shape, then click and drag one of the corners. And just like that, all the corners become rounded. And that's it. Hope it helps. And as always, thanks for watching.